Imagine floating in space, where a simple sneeze could send you spinning. On the International Space Station, ISS, astronauts experience microgravity, which means sneezing can propel them backward. This quirky fact highlights the unique challenges of living in space. Without gravity, bodily fluids behave differently, and sneezing becomes a full body experience. Astronauts must brace themselves or risk an unexpected journey across the station. This amusing reality underscores the adaptability required for space life. So, next time you sneeze, think of the ISS and its floating inhabitants. Hit like, comment, and subscribe for more out of this world stories.